Did you know the microwave oven was invented by accident? Meet Percy Spencer, the man whose sweet tooth led to a kitchen revolution. Back in 1945, while testing a radar magnetron, Percy felt a strange warmth in his pocket. His chocolate bar had melted. Intrigued, he started experimenting with other foods. From popcorn to egg-splosions, Percy realized the microwaves from his device could cook food super fast. Soon, the first microwave oven was born, originally the size of a fridge and costing a whopping $5,000. Today, microwaves are everywhere, all thanks to a melted chocolate bar and a curious mind.